We will guide you through how to speed up voice in Camtasia. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Camtasia is already installed on your device before you begin the editing process. Double-click Camtasia to open it. Click New Project to create your project and prepare the editing workspace. Next, go to the left side and click the Media menu. Select the Media bin option inside it so you can manage your imported files. Then, click the Import Media button to add your voice recording to the project. Select the voice recording that you want to use as an example for this tutorial. Then, click the Open button to continue with the import process. After the voice recording is successfully imported, it will appear in the Media bin for easy access. Drag and drop the voice recording into the track section to begin editing the audio. Click the Camtasia Assets menu at the top of the screen to access additional assets. Then, click See All in the Audio Visualizer section to view the available visualizer options. Add an audio bar visualizer so the preview does not look empty while the voice recording plays. Then, click the play button to listen to the original voice before speeding it up. Move the timeline to the beginning and check the original audio duration, which is approximately 3 minutes. Next, right-click the audio clip to display the available editing options for the recording. Then, select the Add Clip Speed option from the menu to change the playback speed. Go to the right side and access the Speed section to adjust the current playback setting. Change the speed from 1 times to 3 times, for example, to make the voice play faster. After that, check the voice duration, which should now be approximately 1 minute after applying the faster speed. If everything looks good, click the play button to preview the final result and listen carefully to the sped-up voice.